Alrighty then. It's May 2nd, about 10 o'clock in the morning. We got some 20-mile-an-hour winds out of the northwest. I'm over here along this tree line in my part of this territory, across the creek at Osceola. Very dry and crumbly, and they came by, and after they disked it up, they came through with the tractor sprinkling out some pellet fertilizer, and I walked up on this little spot here. Looks like a nice little pencil drill. As crumbly as it is, it was like the fourth rock that I saw over here. It all came all the way down from down there, and that'll get the